Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so reconnecting iMessage isn't blocked. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings and confirm the email and phone number listed. This is how iMessage registers you. Once done, make sure you have either Wi-Fi or cellular data active and toggle airplane mode briefly if networking looks stuck. Finally, check for an iOS update and install it before continuing. Outdated software can prevent activation and cause delays. You'll now force a fresh activation cycle for iMessage. Open Settings, tap Messages, and toggle iMessage off. Count 10 to 15 seconds before turning it back on to clear cache states. Next, tap Send and Receive, sign out of your Apple ID if present, then sign back in to refresh registration. Once finished, restart your iPhone to finalize settings and watch the top of the Messages screen for activation status. Patience is key, because activation can take several minutes. Finish by confirming your send and receive list includes the right email and phone and that they are checked for iMessage. Make a test iMessage to another Apple device and check delivery. If activation still fails, reset network settings to clear stubborn DNS or carrier issues. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi networks. If problems persist, gather any error messages and contact Apple support. Alternatively, sign into iCloud on a computer to verify your Apple ID is helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.